Hello and welcome to Gifted and Exceptional Mind Scholars. Today we will be looking at the 21 consonants of the alphabet. Yes, you heard it correct, the 21 consonants of the alphabet. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Yes, we just did the 21 consonants of the alphabet. Are you ready for us to go again? Okay, get ready. Let's go. 3, 4. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Yes, finger clap to you. We just did our 21 consonants of the alphabet. Now, do you think that you can say the consonants of the alphabet by yourself? Give it a try. Very good. Great job. Give yourself a finger clap for that. Okay, parents, remember to like and subscribe so that you would know when new videos are being posted. Thank you for your support. Bye.